Yeah. Ay. Yeah. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. We them boys.
We them boys.
Hold on.
Yeah.
We them boys.
Hey yo, turn this shit up.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Hey yo, what up,
we making noise, hold up.
Hey yo, you know somebody had to motherfucking remix this shit.
Hold up, hold up, hold up. We them boys.
Dream team.
Hold up, hold up, hold up. We them boys.
Grab your bitch.
Hold up, hold up, hold up. We making noise.
Ain't
Hold
nothing
up.
safe.
Matter of fact, I'm a grown ass man. Killing noise. Been in the corner and something that's crazy. Nothing can come in between me and my money. I get to that money, I flip to that money. A fucking machine. Look at the haters, I see that they haters. I pull up in something with something that's me. With something that's fly. Been with your bitch and won't tell you goodbye. Like, hold up, wait a minute. Pussy so good that I stayed up in it. It was so good that I paid to hit it. I paid to visit, got paid to visit. I walked through the club and parade of niggas. You in LA cause you paid them niggas. I'm in LA with the maid of niggas. Mexican blood and some Gray Street niggas. Like, hold up, we was them niggas before them niggas was selling. Hold up, sexing them women before that you knew they was fucking. Hold up, me and my niggas, we run through that money, it's nothing.
Let's go.
You was that toxic all summer. Looking for niggas with large numbers. Oh, hold up, we them boys. We them boys. Hold up, we them boys.
We them boys.
Hold up, we making noise. Hold up.
I'm a grown ass man, nigga. Killing noise.
DJ so funky, man.
Here we go.
Drop it down low, drop it down low, drop it down low.